5 ton horses.
Yeah.
He just grabbed it, you let go?
You gave him the whole carrot? Wow. Just did one big swoop. That's why you gotta use 2 hands. I'm gonna bite it off. Hey, Gorgeous. Hello, Gorgeous. Hey. Yeah. Oh,
That's all.
good looking boy. Yes, you are.
What you gonna do with that one, Maggie? You try another one.
Tell everybody this is a fit at the show. Huh? Everybody took that? I don't know what.
Hey, Maggie, why don't you hold it a little higher?
She might be doing that.
Put it up a little higher, Maggie.
Any soda was not your thing,
Oh!
Oh.
And the dog
And
went
the dog's got
ziggy.
he does eat them. And I couldn't remember what farm you got, so I bought it from
Danvers got one.
I'm gonna feed this one. What's this one's name? That's right.
Rat.
Rhett.
These two were not theirs, this is why. Oh, this is
Ruby. You wanna give Ruby one, honey?
That's her.
Give Ruby one? Or did you already give Ruby one? I'll give Ruby one. Stick it in there so she can get to it, my love. All the way in there. Put it in there, hon.
I like working for that carrot.
Stick it in there, Maggie. She's got to be able to get to it. There you go. Now let her have it. Just let her have it so she doesn't take your fingers. There you go.
Oop.
And this one's Octavia.
Ochava.
Achavo. I'm like, what?
Ochava.
Oh, Chava. Thank you.
Ochava.
Chava.
Although Octavius is
I know, I was like, that's not Octavia.
I think that's Spider-Man.
Give it to her. Give it to him.
Her.
Her.
Ochava. She's the sick one, hence the boots.
Maybe don't get your fingers in there.
We just got some medicine.
What do the boots do?
I think it helps the,
Stay stable.
Another horse? There's a lot of horses out there. You think you're ready for that?